Hello friends and welcome to this new video. As you know, I really love LED lighting and especially LED strips. They're really cool to create special light effects behind panels to light up darker corners. And today I'm going to review this smart Wi-Fi LED light strip from Meross. So Meross sent me this product in order to review it, but as always I give my honest opinion at the end of this video. First let's see the box, do the unboxing, then we do the installation and the adding and configuration to HomeKit. And now we will test it in real life with some automations and scenarios. So you can see it is the smart Wi-Fi LED light strip MSL320 Pro. That's a lot of words to say that it is an RGB LED strip with also the warm white LED diodes. So you have the one RGB diode and then you have two for white, the bright white and the warm white, to create this vast scenario of warm whites. Of course it's compatible with Apple HomeKit but also with Alexa and Google Home. It works by Wi-Fi, so you don't need an additional hub, and it comes with 2-year warranty. So let's see what's in the box. So that's the European power adapter, the LED strip itself. So these are some fixing clips if you want to use a screw to fix it on some wood or something, and it even comes with a connector so you can extend the cable as well. Pretty nice. And the little control box. And as always, the user manual, the warranty leaflet, and a little introduction about HomeKit. So fans of the channel know that I already have some Meross products in the house. I use the smart switches for my light outdoors and inside the house as well. I have to say I'm really pleased with the quality of Meross, and the customer service is really responsive, really nice to work with them. So it's all well written, nice. And here's the LED strip itself. So you can see as well that you have the RGB diode and then the warm white and the normal white. Of course you can cut the strip at the desired length. You can see that you can cut it quite often, so that's nice that you don't have to cut a large piece when you only have a little bit of strip too much. So this is one of the cheapest HomeKit enabled LED strips on the market. Right now it comes at €36.55. So here you see the arrow, and on the control box you also see an arrow. You have to connect it like this. So on the control box you have the HomeKit code, you have a control button, and you get also the adhesive sticker. So you can attach it somewhere out of the sight, but on an accessible place so that you can activate the LED strip manually as well. So this LED strip can be added to HomeKit with the Home app, but you can also use the Meross application. So of course within HomeKit you have the standard LED light options, so you can choose between 6 default colors. You can adjust the brightness and you can turn it on or off. And then of course you can define all sets of scenes and automations. Within the Meross app you can also opt for some default scenes. So the idea here is to add the LED strip beneath the kitchen cabinet. I have a power socket inside of the closet, so I have to lay it out from here all the way over there, and I'll now get the LED strip right there. So of course I have to choose my 90 degrees corner over there, and then I have to look where I can cut the LED strip right there. So I will first lay it out on the ground before attaching it beneath the kitchen cabinet. So you can fix it two ways. You can fix it with the lights pointing downwards, so you will see the dots on the floor. You could also stick it on the side with the LED diodes pointing sidewards. So for the turn over there, that's a little bit tricky, of course. It will be a 90-degree corner, so you could do specially designed corner pieces, but then of course you have to be sure that you use those 6-pin corner pieces, like you have 6 connection parts. But you can also try to fold it. If you fold it, the risk that you have that you have more concentration of diodes on the same place, and it will be a little bit more brighter there. So let's see how it works out. Here you can really see the detail of Meross. They foreseen 3M tapes on every bit. So here you have 3M tape on the control box. You have even a little clip with 3M tape for your power adapter. And even here you have your 3M tape on this connector. So really nice details. Of course, before sticking the LED light strip in place, you have to connect it to the power source to be sure that you have everything set up right. So now you can see it has power, it is connected, and everything works. So now I disconnect the power. I can cut the light strip right over there, stick it, make my 90-degree angle, stick it right over here, and when everything is fixed, I can add it to my home kit. And there you go, it is installed. So let me turn off the lights so I can show you how I did it. As you can see, this light strip isn't covered with this silicone protection, and therefore it seems less sturdy, and the 3M tape really seems solid to me. So let's try it like this for now, and then we can see over time if it will hold or not, and I can always add the staples later on. So let's see my 90-degree turn over here. So you see, I simply folded it to make the turn. And there's my control box. I have the LED strip installed for some days now, and I'm not quite happy with the fact that you see all the dots on my floor. That's also because I have really shiny tiles, so you can see every separate diode. Another thing is, if the LED strip isn't exactly sticked on straight, you see it really clearly against the lines of my tiles. So what I did, I bought some PVC profile, some double-sided tape, and I'm going to remove the LED strip, stick it inside this L profile, stick it back on, and this way my LED strip shouldn't be pointing downwards, but it should be pointing against the side. And there you go for the final result. So if you come close by, you can see the dots, but as I say, they're straight. So let's see underneath now. So you can see some gaps over there and over there, but that is because my cabinets aren't straight, so it's impossible to get my profile straight as well. I'm really happy with this result. Let's try some different colors now. And see, it's now on 17% only, and you can even see the dots. Orange, green, bright white, blue. And let's see how it does on its brightest. So really awesome. See white. So of course this kind of HomeKit accessories works the best with automations. So when you link it to like a window door sensor or a motion sensor, that when you open the door, boom, the lights goes on, and when you leave the room, the lights goes off. I connected this one to a timed automation, so it goes on together with my kitchen light every morning, and it turns off at sunrise. And I connected it to an automation as well, where I come home, I open the door and it goes on. I also made an automation when my son's coming home at night, it will turn on in a soft blue, just enough to see where he's going. So now at night time, let's activate the LED 30%. You can see it's really bright already. Put it to 100%. You can see that it is really bright. So blue. So I think it's a really nice quality. The lights are really bright, the warm whites are really warm. So I would definitely advise this kind of LED light strip if you have a small budget, or even if you want to decorate your whole house with it, it is feasible at this price tag. So if you want to support the channel, please use the link down in the video description to buy this one. This really would help the channel to grow and make other videos. I hope you like this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.